In this video, we'll explore the Flow theme, one of the hot themes on JSN ImageShow. On the admin site, go to JSN ImageShow Showcase via the component menu item. On the Showcase Manager page, you can create a new showcase or edit an older showcase. In the Showcase Settings page, make sure all the settings on the General tab are saved. Go to the Theme tab to install a new theme. Click on the Flow theme to download and install it. All the theme settings for the Flow theme will be shown. Let's start with the Container panel, which allows you to set the configuration related to the container, such as background type, background color, and side fade. Use background type to set the background type of the area outside the gallery. Background color sets the background color of the area. Side fade sets the fade color of both sides of the gallery. There are three values: none, black, or white. The next panel is Thumbnail, to set the configuration related to image thumbnails. Image Source to display image with original images or thumbnails. Dimension defines the width and height in pixels of each thumbnail. Border thickness is used to set the thickness in pixels of the thumbnail border. Rounded corner allows you to set the radius in pixels of gallery rounded corner. Border color. Set the color of the image border. Click Select Color to pick the desired color or set the color code manually. Use 3D Effect to set the effects for the image gallery or not. And Opacity to set the opacity in % of all inactive images. Click Action defines the action that will happen when the viewer clicks on the thumbnail. In Open Image Link mode, when the user clicks on an image, its link will be opened in the next browser. Next is a Caption panel to set the title, description, and link of the showcase. Show Caption defines whether the original image will show a caption or not. Use background color to set background color of the caption area. And panel opacity to set the opacity in % of the caption background. Here you can also define to show or hide the title, description, and custom CSS for them. Now is the navigation panel. Here, the Enable Keyword Action option allows the visitor to control the image slide by using the keyboard or not. Finally is the Slideshow panel. Slideshow allows you to set the gallery behavior when it plays the slideshow. Autoplay to set the slideshow to play automatically or not. Slide timing to set the length of time of transitions between images when the gallery is autoplaying. And the last is Pause on Mouse Over, which allows you to set whether a mouse over action on the gallery images pauses the slideshow temporarily or not. Don't forget to click the Save button after finishing all your settings. Thank you for watching. Please check our other videos to learn more about how to work with JSN ImageShow.